Can you pay your tuition fee in USA by doing the part-time jobs? Today we are going to find out if we can pay our tuition fee in USA with just part-time jobs. So we are going to calculate this today. So as we know, the average fee in USA is about $8,000 to $35,000 and $25,000 to $55,000 for the private sectors. And this is the fees. Now we're going to talk about the average wage rate per hour, which means you get about $27 per hour. So how many works are you allowed in USA? You are allowed unlimited work hours in your USA, which means you can work as much as you want. So we are just going to calculate that for you. So suppose your fees is $35,000. So we are going to take that, and now we are going to divide it with $27 an hour. I'm just considering it. And these are the work hours that you need to work in a year. I'm just going to divide it with 53 because there are 53 weeks in a year. So as you guys can see, you need to work about 25 hours just to pay the fee. So you need to work almost 40 hours a week in order to maintain your lifestyle and to pay the fee, which means you can do that. I believe you can do that, but it totally depends upon you, your personality, if you can do this or not. So that's pretty much it. That's what you guys can do. Hope you guys find this video helpful.